Hi, we are Stanley Martin Homes, and working with real estate professionals is at the heart of what we do. We invite our partners into our communities to meet our team, learn how to work with us, and experience what truly sets Stanley Martin Homes apart. This isn't just a tour. It's about connection, collaboration, and having a great time while building strong partnerships. If you'd like to partner up with us and be part of our family, we're here to give you the tools, knowledge, and support to help you succeed.